Alright, so, I don't know what's going on with my PS4, but, for some reason, it just keeps on turning on and off by itself, and it doesn't overheat or anything, it just keeps on turning on and off constantly, and then I just put up this screen right here. Sorry if you can't really see, but it's like, here, I'll go up. You have to use the D-pad. It says change and all this stuff. It doesn't make any sense. It just does this, and when you do, I don't know what to press, so I just press restart. And it restarts, okay? But I'm pretty sure it just goes straight back to the same screen. It doesn't make any sense. Hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, see, I don't understand this. And then you connect it, and it does this again. And I don't want to restore to default settings. I don't know what rebuild the database does. I don't even know what any of this does, but the resolution restart and restore default settings and update. Actually, no, I don't even know what that is. What do I even do? Can you just write down in the comments or something? I'm probably not going to even have any comments since I don't even post YouTube stuff. But I have no idea what to do.